So, how was the admission process? You had any entrance exams or any kind of English test?
Yeah. So my college, if you are from a English background, you don't need to give any kind of English exam. For example, I did all my education from preschool till my bachelor's. I did everything in English. So they just want me to produce one certificate stating I did all my courses in English. But people from a non-English background, people from another country, they don't study English. They need to write IELTS exam and they have to score more than 6.5 or they can take TOEFL. I just produced one certificate because in India we can get that from our education institute. With that certificate, we could do our masters, English master in any part of Europe. We don't need to give another English exam.
Okay. So, apart from it, you had any other entrance exams like GMAT? Or...
No, we have an one-on-one interview with the course head. So during that interview, she's asked a very basic question: why you want to be in Paris and why you choose this course and what are all the things you did and how you are fit for the course, and about your previous experience and education things. Even she asked me one question: you're from electronic and communication background, why you want jump into IT, what made you to navigate to IT? And I explained to her. She felt okay, and after 4 days they will give me the offer letter. Then the fees process and all this goes on after that.
Okay. What was your like total tuition fee and did you get any scholarship?
So my total tuition fee was 10,500 and I could get a scholarship. Even I applied for that, but due to my SOPs and all, it does not get selected. But for my college, we can get off of the tuition fees and the living expensive, everything comes under a scholarship. Even we can get a scholarship through Campus Fronts of India. Like even I tried that, though I didn't do an early bird process. If I started my process very early, I might be securing a scholarship, but it was due to a delay, I can able to get a scholarship. But my fees was kind of affordable. It was 10,500 for the entire 18-month course. And they give me an option to pay it first 40% of the fees I have to pay before the admission, before entering into the college. After entering into the college, the 60% of the amount can be paid separately. So it's a wiser option for me to pay, for the another 18 months of time, you can pay the 60%, which is 6,000 euro, directly converted to INR, which is 6 lakhs. So it seemed easy for me to pay it. And the course is more affordable. Even if I did any masters in India, the same price I'll pay. So I felt like, okay, something I will explore, something I'll learn more. I chose my course in Paris.
Yeah, personally, even I felt that this fee structure is very reasonable and it would be helpful for Indian students.